dancing on the steam. Pages turn and time unwinds. Every sip rewrites the lines. Whispers in the window light, footsteps fading into white. Hearts are drifting soft and slow, like a song we used to know. Let it flow, let it breathe, like a wave upon the sea. Every moment, light and free, falling gently, endlessly. Cinnamon and citrus air, echoes humming everywhere. Fingertips on porcelain, tracing words we lost again. Laughter in the amber glow, memories like rivers flow, hands that reach but never hold. Stories new and stories old. Let it flow, let it breathe, like a wave upon the sea. Every moment, light and free, spinning softly, endlessly. Seasons turn and we remain, changing yet still much the same, in this space where moments blend. Every start becomes an end. Let it flow, let it breathe, like a wave upon the sea. Every whisper, every key, drifting deeper, endlessly. Let it flow, let it breathe, like a wave upon the sea. Every moment, wild and free, carry forward
これ欲しいんだね。
endlessly.
これが欲しいね。安い。あ、だからお風呂とかキッチンで使えるってやつやね。このスコーリス。これ
Morning light spills on the kitchen floor.
ピンクなんですよ。
I hear your laugh as you close the door. Coffee brews and the world slows down. Everyday magic in this little town. We trace our days like a melody, soft and steady, just you and me. We build a life thread by thread, a tapestry of words unsaid. Love in the simplest things we
あ、こ
do.
のマグ。
I choose you,
あ、これがね、これ欲しいね。これ買おうかな。
I choose you.
この花瓶も可愛い。
Rain taps a song on the window pane. We dance around like we're kids again. Your hand in mine, nothing feels too far. Home is wherever you are. We turn each page like a symphony.
これやん。かわいい。もうないかな。ほら、このクッキー型3個セット。これ買おうかな。これ。
You hum a tune, lost in thought, tracing shapes on the window glass. The world outside just fades away when I see you laugh like that. Every little sigh, every little smile, they linger like a melody. And I don't need a single word to know what you mean to me. You're the color in the gray, the warmth inside my hands, like a song that stays the same, but I hear it new again. You tilt your head, lost in dreams, mumbling stories no one knows. But every word you leave unsaid somehow finds its way to me. Every little glance, every little pause, they paint the air between us. And I don't need a single sign to know where my heart belongs. You're the color in the gray, the rhythm in my steps, like a song that never fades, but it's brighter every breath. If the world forgets to shine, I'll still find light in your hands. If the days move far too fast, I'll keep this moment here to last. You're the